Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix the unplugged charger problem showing on the Oppo A5x. Now this problem appears when your smartphone detects an object or moisture in the charging port of your smartphone. To fix this issue, just clean the charging port of your smartphone with a soft brush and keep your smartphone in a ventilated area for a few hours for the moisture in the charging port to dry out. Now, if this did not fix your issue, then this could be a software glitch. To fix this issue, just open Settings, then tap on System and Update. From here, tap on Software Update and check if you have any software update available. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your smartphone. Then go to your home screen and reboot your smartphone. To do that, just press and hold the power button on your smartphone until the power menu shows on the screen. And if the power button on your smartphone is mapped to launch Google Assistant, just press the power button with the volume up button to show the power menu. Now just swipe up and select Restart. And if this did not fix your issue, then you might have a hardware problem with the charging port on your smartphone. Just take your smartphone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix unplugged charger problem showing on the Oppo A5x. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.